Hey guys, got a package in from Memphis Shades for the 2016 Fatboy Low S. So open this up and get it put on the back, see what we think. Let's get it opened up. Featured products booklet. Got some hardware. And this is the Paso 13-inch dark black smoke windshield. So we'll see if that works. Hopefully these are the right mounts it's supposed to be. To start off, just got to remove these two bolts here and then the two over here. And that's where the bolts from the kit are going to mount, where we can attach the windshield. That's that trim piece. Bits of this one. And we'll put the thinner one, thinner spacer on the bottom. That. Rinse and repeat on this side. And they did send some heck wrenches. I got this little kit that works really well. Has torque caps and everything for Mac tools. One of the best little toolkits I've come across. Really like it. I'm thinking. And again. Tighten it down. There it is, complete. All done. Looks pretty good, I think. Kind of a minimalist style, not too big, but should be enough to block some of the wind for longer rides. Get a little bit of wind deflection. And as you can see over here, stacks of boxes of stuff for the Pan Am ST still to go on, but wanted to get this windshield on the Fatboy. Got a ride tomorrow. All right, there it is. The Memphis Shades El Paso 13-inch dark smoke windshield installed on the 2016 Fatboy Low S. Just wanted this to get a little bit of protection from the wind on longer rides. If I have to take this one on longer rides, if the road glide is down or something like that. Typically this is just the around town little bar hopper type bike. I have some throwover bags that are coming. Once they arrive, I'll show you what those look like, and that should work. So I'll give this a try, let you know what I think in future videos. But for now, well, I like the way it looks. It ought to work pretty good. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.